In this video, we will understand the concept of area of segment. Now, what is a segment? When you draw a circle and make a chord inside it, then there are two portions of the circle which are created. The one which is smaller is called minor segment and the other one is called major segment. Now, how do you decide it? We can visually see and find out which one is major and which one is minor. The other way of finding out is the circle का center is always contained in the major segment, and the one which is not containing the center of the circle is called minor segment. Now suppose if I draw a circle and make a diameter, this is also the chord of a circle. Now the two portions created are semicircle, so both of them are equal. Now what is the other way mathematically to find out whether it is major or minor? Suppose I make the center of the circle and I join the two radii, then I make a chord of the circle. Now this figure is similar to the above one. Now you can see the center of the circle पे angle कैसा बन रहा है. अगर ये angle less than 180 होता है, then we call that this is a minor segment. जैसे ऊपर मैंने कहा था minor segment. Now make another circle. ये हमने यहाँ पर बना दिया. Okay. So now how will you make the angle? अब हमें क्या करना है? I want to know what is the major segment. तो major segment के केस में मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? Central angle check करना पड़ेगा. How will I check central angle? I will check central angle. हम इसको center से join करेंगे. अब हम क्या बनाएंगे? Angle बनाएंगे. Now this angle is more than 180. So the segment so generated, the segment generated कौन सी है? ये ऊपर वाली सारा पार्ट, ये ऊपर वाला पार्ट which is containing the center also. One identification कि मेजर सेगमेंट क्या कंटेन करती है? सेंटर कंटेन करती है, और मेजर सेगमेंट का सेंटर पे जो एंगल बनता है वो मोर देन 180 बनता है. एंड दिस इज़ हाउ यू गेट टू नो दैट दिस इज़ मेजर segment. Now what else we need to understand? We need to find out the area of this major or minor segment. अगर कोई मुझसे पूछता है कि minor segment का एरिया बताओ, तो मुझे इस पोर्शन का एरिया बताना है, provided the radius and the central angle, so that we'll understand. Now suppose if I have to find out the area of this portion, minor segment, then what will I do? I will find out the area of sector minus the area of triangle. So I can write area of segment का basic formula is area of segment is area of sector minus area of triangle, right? So this is the formula. Now what is area of sector? Area of sector is pi r square theta by 360. Now can you see which kind of triangle here it is? It is a right angle triangle. I'll just rotate this figure for you and so that you are able to see it properly. This is 90-degree angle. So what is the base? OA is the base, and what is the height? OB is the height. ये base हो गया और ये क्या हो गया? Height हो गया. So this is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle का area क्या होता है? Right angle का triangle is 1/2 into base into height. So what is the base and height? Both of them are equal to the radius of the circle. देखो ध्यान से figure के अंदर. This is also radius and this is also radius. So it is minus 1/2 r square. So this is how you will find out the area of segment if the central angle is 90 degree. This is theta is equal to 90. तो उस केस में हम specifically कैसे find out करेंगे? That I have made you understand. Now see this figure. In this, the area of segment is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle. The basic formula remains the same, and I know the area of sector is pi r square theta by 360. Now what is the area of triangle? That depends on the type of triangle. Now suppose if theta is equal to 60 degree, then I claim that this triangle is equilateral triangle. Can you all prove that if theta is equal to 60, then this triangle is equilateral triangle? Let us try this. So let me write this as 60. So can I write these two angles as x? because OA is equal to OB, therefore the angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Now x plus 60 will be equal to 180. So you can write it very clearly that 2x is equal to 120. So x is equal to 60. So that means this is equilateral triangle. What is the area of equilateral triangle? Root 3 by 4 into side square. And what is the side in this case? That is equal to radius of the circle. This being equilateral triangle, सारी sides किसके equal होंगी? एक दूसरे के equal होंगी. So if one of the sides is r, then all the sides will be equal to r. So area of segment in this case will be pi r square theta by 360 minus root 3 by 4 r square. Okay, so this is how you find out area of segment if the central angle is 60 degrees.